Welcome to the channel, everyone. Well, today was going to be a fun video. I was going to show you my transmission setup for the 70 Chevy truck project. And as I've unwrapped all my parts that I bought for this, this has now turned into a problem. Of course, I wouldn't expect anything less. Okay, so first off, let's get to the transmission, I guess. This is a B&M transmission. It's a four-wheel drive, turbo 350. Basically, what this truck would have had back in the day, you know, if you ordered an automatic transmission. It is rebuilt by B&M, so it's built up so it can handle 450 horse. So they are beefed up. I don't think the original ones would have handled that, but anyway, B&M transmission came on a big pallet in the back of a truck. I believe 103005 is the part number. There's a serial number on there. Like I said, B&M. Why did I go with B&M? Can't really find anybody complaining about a B&M. I was going to look at the TCI transmissions, and you can find quite a few complaints on the TCI. Maybe the TCI guys sell more transmissions. Anyway, I went with a B&M just because I can't find anybody complaining about them. Okay, so the transmission itself here, a little disappointed. The pictures, they show a shiny transmission with a big B&M decal on it. You can see this thing looks like it was painted by a 2-year-old. Okay, so I understand that. It's, you know, painting something shiny costs more money. If they save me some money, okay. It's just a transmission. It's going under the truck. If I want it nice, painted nice, maybe I'll paint it later on. But, okay, I can live with that. Continuing on here, this transmission, looking at the mounting face, I mean, it looks like it's had a hard life. I don't know how many vehicles this transmission's been in, but it might be quite a few. Right here, this looks like it's been broken, and it looks like it's been welded right there. So not real happy with that. You know, if it's strong and a good repair, okay, but I'm just not happy with that. Okay, so the dowel pin holes is another complaint. Well, one of them is, this one's fine. This one here is a wallered out mess. So I don't know what went on there, but it is not, it's bigger, it's smashed. I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble, but this certainly ain't gonna line anything up for me. I have a feeling this broken piece right here happened when this got jammed on a dowel pin or something. So, again, not happy with that. One other small gripe is the kickdown cable. I can turn this in the light. The kickdown cable hole is just exposed. So if something fell in there during shipping or packaging or whatever, I don't know. Maybe something did, maybe something didn't. I hope it didn't. There's a little cap. There was a cap floating around here. I don't know how that would go on there. It looks like it doesn't fit on it. So I don't know why that hole wasn't plugged. I'm probably going to put something over it to plug it up so nothing falls into it, because if something falls into it, that's bad. You do get a new modulator. I didn't know that. And you get a little bracket to hold it on. You don't get any adapters for your lines. There's just a couple plugs right here and right here. Yeah, that's pretty much, they got a vent right here. But yeah, there it is, guys, a B&M four-wheel drive turbo 350. Hopefully it performs a lot better than it looks. Okay, so this is a four-wheel drive transmission. You need a transfer case adapter to bolt onto the back of this, right? This is where my issues really start getting bad. Actually, I've ordered an advanced adapter kit. This is supposed to be for a turbo 350 to a 205 transfer case. So I've got the adapter here that runs the splines. You got the right spline for a turbo 350 and the right spline for a 205 transfer case. That, yep, works fine. That is apparently part number ADD 505304. It comes with this little seal. I have no idea what that is for. Don't really know where that would go. You're not going to get it in there because everything is already sealed up, so I don't really know. Don't know what that seal is. That might be for the right adapter because this adapter is not right. Bring it out here. You can see the bolt pattern here. See the bolt pattern? Look at the bolt pattern on the back of this transmission. Yeah, there's 4 bolts. So, yeah, it's a 205 right here that's got the right pattern on this side. This side is not right. Now, right here, you can see what looks like a part number stamped into it. It says 513202. Okay, that don't sound right. The bag that I have, part number ADD 505302. Transfer case adapter kit. This says adapter turbo 350 to NP205. Now, if you remember this adapter number, 505304, 505302. So I would say that I have the wrong adapter, or they put the wrong adapter in the right bag. So now I've got to, I don't know, I've had this part for a very, very long time. I didn't know I couldn't have checked it anyway because I didn't get the transmission till way down the road anyway, but yeah, this is not working out for me, guys. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. When it gets figured out, who knows? Probably be the end of summer. So to go with all this stuff, transmission, I did finally just recently get my torque converter. I went with a FTI. I had a guy really recommended this. You can see it. It's not going in now because I got to figure out what's going on because I can't get the transmission. Well, I can bolt it to the motor, but I can't bolt it to my cross member. So I can't put it in the truck. They actually send bolts with this converter, which is really, really nice. I didn't know what bolts to order. So I was going to wait to get it. I was going to measure, but they already sent the bolts, which is really, really nice. I've called these guys and you can call them and there's someone there that will talk to you. I actually sent them all my specs of the truck, the motor, the gearing, transmission, I mean everything, and this is what they recommended. It's a 2800 to 3000 RPM stall. It's a 9.5. This is a nice converter, guys. This is rated to 750 horse. They didn't want me to get the economy series, they call it, because it was only rated to like 450, but I don't think I'm going to be beaten on this setup enough. But anyway, I got the better one. That's the one they wanted me to get. So yeah, I guess, guys, that's pretty much my transmission setup that's gone to crap because I don't have the right parts. Okay, guys, so actually took the time and I sanded the transmission down, threw a nicer paint job on it. Just couldn't stand that 2-year-old paint job. Even though it's a transmission, no one's gonna see it. I know what's under there. But the situation's gone from bad to worse because after I painted it, started test fitting some parts, test fitting the torque converter inspection cover, or whatever you want to call it, the cover there that covers up the torque converter. And what do I find? The bell housing is broken off right here. There's no way to bolt, or no way to put the 4th bolt in this inspection cover. I mean, I didn't notice it. I mean, I guess I don't look at transmissions every day, so I clearly didn't see that. I got pictures of before I painted it, and you can clearly see the crack now that I know it's there. But yeah, a complete failure. This transmission never should have been rebuilt. The guy that rebuilt this should be ashamed of himself, because this transmission broken should not have been rebuilt. So I'm really not happy. So I got this transmission from Summit Racing. I mean, I gave them a call, and they say that they don't do any warranty work on the B&M transmissions. I got to call B&M. See, there's another problem. When I got this transmission, I opened the box up and I looked it over. You know, something like this, like I said, I don't see these transmissions every day, so I didn't even notice that was broke off. I sealed the box back up, and I don't know how many months. It's been months and months and months since I got this transmission. I've been gathering parts for about a year or so to do this conversion. You know, I'm not rich. I can't just buy everything right now and do it that way. So I've been slowly buying parts as I can get them. And just this weekend, I found all these problems. But anyway, going back to when I got this transmission, like I said, I opened it up, everything looked good, boxed it back up, and then I called the number. I called B&M's number right there, because I wanted to know what transmission fluid they recommended. If they recommended the mineral oil or the synthetic oil, you know, maybe the break-in and run the mineral, and then after you can run synthetic. I don't know. I wanted to ask them some questions. That number is busy all the time. Every time I called that, it just says line busy, so you can't even get a hold of B&M. Summit Racing, that's the only number they have to get a hold of B&M. So I mean, it's a total failure here by B&M. I can't get a hold of them. I mean, the nice woman at Summit, well, she said that I only have like a 30 or 60-day warranty from the time that I got it. Well, that's long gone. So I guess I don't even have any kind of warranty on this, even if I could get a hold of B&M. Yeah, I'm not happy, guys. Not happy at all. I just feel like giving up really at this point. Really just feel like giving up. I don't know, I guess I don't have anything else to say. So I guess that's the end of this video, guys. Just more problems. More problems. When I get it figured out, if I ever get it figured out, I'll do another video, guys. I'll see you.